Hello, Ballin Isles. I'm Jason Bloom, your general manager, and we are here at the Military Gatehouse project. I'm here with Dan Beatty, Deputy Director of Northern Palm Beach County Improvement District, Brett Stossel, Project Executive with Hedrick Brothers, Danny Delgado, Project Manager with Hedrick Brothers, and David Marsland, our Director of Operations. Dan's going to go through quickly Northern's role here as well as Hedrick's. Dan?
Thank you, Jason. Yes, as Jason mentioned, Northern Palm Beach County Improvement District owns and maintains the 3 guardhouses within Ballin Isles, as well as all of the interior roadways and stormwater management system. One of the major projects that we have scheduled for this year is the renovation of the Military Trail Guardhouse that you see behind me. And to avoid some of the pitfalls that we ran into last time, we wanted to make sure that we got a good contractor on board. We've contracted with Hedrick Brothers Construction, who successfully completed the clubhouse, as you're aware. And we're very excited to have them on board as a good qualified contractor, and we're looking forward to them completing this project quickly and efficiently and on time and on budget. And having said that, I'll turn it over to Brett.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Dale Hedrick and Hedrick Brothers Construction, we're glad to be back here at Ballin Isles. Glad to have participated in the successful opening of the clubhouse last fall. We're honored to participate in the guardhouse, and we look forward to the successful on-time completion of this project as well. I'd like to have Danny tell you a little bit about the project specifics of what's going on behind us.
Thanks, Brett. My name is Danny Delgado, and I'll be running the project here at the Military Guardhouse. We have started selective demolition already on the interior, and as well as the roof demolition is going to start here next week. So we're grateful to be here at Ballin Isles and looking to complete this project as efficiently as possible. Thanks.
The association will be sending out periodic updates, and thank you very much for your patience and have a wonderful summer.